Hello guys and welcome to my channel. This is Alex and today I got a request from Ankit, one of my subscribers, and he says if I can add a header in the table, and the table is this one here, which does not have the header which is located here. My table is looking a little bit different and not like the 10Beasts one, so I'm making the second part in how to add that code basically for those of you who want to have this inside of their tables. So he asked me to do it and now I'm doing it, and in the next tutorial I will be doing this. I will be adding a navigation menu like 10Beasts as well. So subscribe to my channel to see this if you are interested in these kind of tutorials. So now to begin, this is our table. Like I said, if I refresh it, nothing happens like you would expect. First you go to all tables. Actually first you go to your WordPress and then you head over to TablePress, and then you find the name of this table, which you can find easily inside your article. Where did you put it? The table ID is number 62. Let's go to the old tables again. You can check the IDs here. If I order them by the bigger number to the lower number, I can find it here. It's called Best Budget Coffee Makers and the article is Best Budget Coffee Makers. So inside the table I have on empty space on the table header. So we'll name this one product name, description, and check price. And basically you do and save it. And come on, save it. Yeah, it's saved completely fine. Now what you want to do is head over to TablePress. You can open a new bar or you can use the old one and go to plugin options. I will use this one. Enter again, go to plugin options for no reason. I'm gonna click on here so that the height of this box expands so that I can see the code more clearly. And inside here I have this piece of code which removes the number 1 row, which is this row here. And if I remove that row and save it, you will see that it will appear immediately. But first I will need to take care of my cache. I will have to refresh it 3 times or 4 times. As you can see, it appeared, and it doesn't look the same as the one 10Beasts uses. As you can see, I copied his code and I made it responsive as he did, so that you do not need to worry about anything. If you watched my first tutorial, if you didn't watch my first tutorial, and if you didn't copy my code, this tutorial is completely not for you. I repeat, this tutorial is not for you if you didn't watch this previous tutorial. So now we are going to copy the code inside here, and then obviously we're gonna save it. And once we are done with this, we're basically done with everything. Now we need to refresh like 2 or 3 times to check if it's actually working. So if you see that it's loading slowly, that's a good part, and that means that it actually refreshed. And as you can see, it appeared and it's looking awesome and it's responsive, but I will not use it because it looks ugly to me. It looks much better without it. So if you liked the tutorial, please like, share and subscribe, and I will be seeing you the next time. So like I said, in the next tutorial we are going to make this navigation bar, and in the next tutorial after that we're gonna use this table and create it, which is similar to this one. It looks a little bit more simpler, and basically that's it. for this tutorial. Peace.